Hey guys, welcome back. It is October 31st. Happy Halloween. And we had a package arrive today. I haven't looked in this box yet. I opened the tape up, but I have not opened the flaps. So I'm a little excited to see what's inside. But before we do that, I got a call from the machine shop that the engine block is at. And the good news is the block is good. There's no cracks. Bad news is it needed to be bored and sleeved or bored and have oversized pistons installed. So I did a lot of looking around and was able to find some oversized pistons. If you're lucky, you can find either new old stock oversized pistons or aftermarket used or something on eBay, but I couldn't find any of those things. I did find some used ones on a website, but one of them was pretty heavily pitted on the top side of the piston, on the head of the piston, so I decided to pass on those, and we ended up ordering a brand new set of 125 over high compression aluminum pistons. So that is what I suspect is in this box. Sharp's Tractor in Missouri, I believe, is the one that offers these pistons. I don't know how many sets they have left. My guess is they have them made in batch orders. So they have 125 over and 250 over, but I didn't want to go with the 250 because I'd rather retain as much block material as I can, because I just don't think removing all of that material is a good idea on something that's almost 100 years old. So we went with the 125 over pistons. Now these come with rings, wrist pins, and clips. So let's open the box and figure out what we got. Okay, I'm going to try and do this one-handed. So this box is pretty heavy, but it's not as heavy. This might be, I'm not sure what this is. There's something in here. Oh, a pen. Okay. I'm gonna have to set this down. So here you are, Sharp's Antique Tractor Works, oldjdforyou.com. Rebore kit, 125 over. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Okay, so the top side, we have one bag of rings, a bag of oil rings, another bag of rings, and another bag of oil rings. Whoo boy. D2823R wrist pin. There's one clip. Oh, here's another clip. These are packed very well, which is a good thing. I keep getting snagged on these staples here. That is a piston. Let's get it out of the bag. Okay, so I put this milk jug next to it for a size comparison. I would say that the piston itself is actually maybe just slightly larger in diameter than the milk jug is across. Now this is a gallon milk jug, so much bigger than the milk jug. Piston is stamped on top, 125 over, or I should say engraved. Now notice the head of the piston isn't flat. It's canted up, domed upwards at an angle, and then flattened off on this side. These things are a work of art for sure. Machined out of a solid block of aluminum. Let you guys get a look inside here. Looking down inside. So if I lay the piston on its side and set it next to the milk jug, it's about 2/3 as tall in diameter as the milk jug is tall. Amazing. It says power seal right inside here. Incredible. That is one big piston. Let's see how the wrist pin fits. I'll try not to destroy this bag so that I can put this back into the bag when we're done. Light coating of oil on here. What am I hitting there? That's kind of strange. Let's try it from the other side. It's like it's hitting a hard stop here. Let's tip it down. Oh, it must have been just a tiny burr. There we go. No problem. No problem. Wow. That is quite impressive. Okay. Let's put that back in the bag now that my hands are covered in oil. So now I have to get these to the machine shop, which is in St. Cloud, Minnesota. And then they will size the bores accordingly. Okay. There you have it. 6 3/4 plus 125 over would be 6 7/8. 6 7/8 bore by 7-inch stroke. Pretty amazing. Okay, well that's really it for this video, guys. Real quick, I just wanted to say that the block that I have being machined is at Auto Value in St. Cloud, Minnesota. They are able to bore the blocks for these old John Deeres. So if you're in the area and you need a John Deere block board, a 2-cylinder block, you can bring it to Auto Value in St. Cloud, Minnesota, and they can help you out. They got a full machine shop up there, so they can deck it, they can bore it, they can sleeve it. So check them out. Yeah, big thanks to Sharp's Tractor for sending those pistons out, and we'll get them up there and they can get that block board and get everything sized up. And yeah, I just wanted to give a quick update to you guys. So haven't done much out here. It's pretty much been sitting idle since we put the first run of parts through the pressure or the parts washer. So that thing's working pretty good. So I'm happy I bought it. But that's gonna do it. Happy Halloween, everybody, and stay safe out there. We'll see you next time.